Shocker.
ETSE.
Getting a pop here. Delta Whiskey Alpha Charlie. On volume.
DWAC. EVLO.
Started Etsy. Got a pretty bad fill, but I started it pretty small.
ETSE.
Quite the
GFAI.
GFAI, Guard Force AI. Getting a pop here, 22%.
DWAC.
Alpha India.
MQ.
Dollar.
P top WW. Well, WW shares getting a pop here.
UPST heavy.
October $10 calls trading in whiskey.
WW up.
WW.
I'll post in a second. They don't have time for this shit. Daily kind of funky. Kind of a big, what do you call those things? Descending triangle? On like 30.
Starter in WW.
Starter.
WW hitting $8.32 at $8.35 now, up 7.5% for WW.
Wish the volume was better on that one. I'd consider it a little harder. I don't.
Yeah, it kind of looked like it jiggled there on. I mean, it's not a lot of volume, but
I don't dislike
and
this
it was
idea.
at my bands. Yeah.
Why is WW
Looking at the daily, it looks like 850 could be interesting.
Yeah, the range is kind of weak sauce on it for me too. I mean, it has room down to like 780. You could probably go all the way back down, but I don't think it'll be fast. Fucking A, CVNA died like a motherfucker. That was the one. Nobody took that.
No, I was watching it and then.
Oh shit! He got wasted. And I took that one off because of the stupid SSR. My bad. I should just trade that shit. Oof. Intense today, man.
PTRA lunch, trail.
Ugh. I'd tell you AMD is doing something, but it sucks ass, so don't look at that one, Tim. Glitter, dude.
Tup NTB.
Oh, I should have shorted Glitter today.
Yeah, Twitter died too.
And it's got a lot of room down too. Fucking hate jumping in these things.
WW dollar on way.
Right here under 17 was probably my last probably decent entry, unless it pushes back up there.
Now it starts dying too.
Fuck, I can't jump on this shit. Bummer. AMD is my last hope. She has not made the die yet. WW is pulling back for you, Anton.
Yeah, it's trying.
I don't mind that idea, dude. It's
Like
a
FB1.
huge descending triangle. I mean, you got down to 780, 775, you know, somewhere in there. If you really wanted to stick with it for probably all day, but there goes.
Yeah, I'm gonna keep some leftovers. I'm at 836. At least try for 8.
Hope you whacked it heavy as fuck.
Ended up 400 shares. I'm a little annoyed because it missed me by 2 pennies. I wasn't gonna complain about it though. I would have been out for 50 bucks pretty quick, but fortunately it missed me and started to bounce, so I took half off. So now I gotta get 50 the hard way.
That's what you gotta look at. Not taking that off if it bounces or thinking about the ad. We'll talk about that later. See if there's there's gotta be some way around that shit, dude.
Yeah, but every time.
When it's every time, that means there's something wrong with it.
No.
That's what I'm saying.
It's not every time. No, I wasn't gonna say it happens every time. I was gonna say every time I think about doing stuff like that and I try it, it goes back to high days. I end up cutting it for a loss instead of where I could have been green on the trade. And I've always said it probably counteracts each other.
Flitter's fucking
I'm supposing you
aggravating the
looked
shit
at
out of me.
Rivian. Don't look at Rivian.
That's fine. No, I see Rivian. Rivian was kind of bouncing into the support area. I'm okay with that one. Flitter's the fucking bummer. Because I could have whacked that with a lot of size. Shit.
IFBD.
SIRI, Sirius XM.
Alright, bounce, fucker, bounce.
After a circuit breaker halt, pulling back $6.62. SIRI.
IFBD.
Did that thing halt?
UPSTO baby.
Looks like it. Jesus. No, I kind of like that WW idea, dude. I just, it wasn't, it was the volume that made me not take it.
$20 now on.
Wins, you know. So the key is on the day when you take the L, it can't be the $700-800 L.
Right.
Where you gave back all those scalpy wins.
I just stopped out half there on WW.
Did she hit 75 yet?
It started to curl up.
Yeah, did she? I got a feeling she will hit it, but I mean, dude, if you're close, that thing's gonna get so choppy down there. I get 96.
Yep.
You know, I mean, look to the
I got my
look to the left
stop in now.
HTB.
So we're
at
good.
how it went back down to 780 yesterday. It did not do it fast. You know,
Yeah.
it's one of those.
I was just hoping we got that break of that
SDIO
794
is,
area because it looks like we might have got a flush to at least where it opened, but it curled instead. Oh, good.
Wow, you're roboting. Fucking Plitter just hit. This is where I struggle, man. I'm not good at taking these
28K actually.
lower register of the day, and I have trouble keeping them all day. But Rivian's doing it, Plitter's doing it. AMD is doing nothing. I got alert set on that one for break out of the range up or down, but it's got to do something.
CEI about to break $1. Dollar, make you holla.
Assuming they will go pretty quick if we break $1.
How did you find that trade that that WW? Was it in your, did that scan
Charlie,
setup?
actually.
Oh, was that Charlie?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, Charlie had mentioned it was popping, even though it was on like no volume.
Gotcha. I was just wondering where it came from, just because that was literally for me.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't know why you took it. It was just because of the pop, but for me,
Daily
that
does not
was
look good.
Set up on the daily, but
Well, take a look at it. He called it out when it was at 820.
Watching to see if they hold up through
So
there.
it wasn't exactly popping when he
You're
called
like,
it out.
Charlie.
Yeah, but then I just had it up on my chart and saw it start. It actually started to pop a little bit, and I was like, "Oh, all right." Yeah, my first entry was at 8:30.
That's pretty decent. That's what I was seeing there. Because I literally pulled up TOS and I was kind of like, I was tempted on it, dude. I thought about taking that with you, but that volume just told me, "Nah." I'll get over those, man. Throw some at it and let it fucking work and just chill, you know? I don't know if you saw this aspect of it, but we might have both been seeing different aspects too. Kind of like that other strat, you know?
CEI.
But this isn't really.
CEI broke $1.
This wouldn't even really be a strat. This is just fuck post.
Yeah.
I mean, dude.
I mean, a lot of people do play
That's the
that.
clearest shit that I've ever seen. And
Yeah, it's almost like
it's this
a
downward
penny.
triangle.
CXAI hitting $8 now at the high. Charlie X-ray Alpha.
Keeps bouncing
CEI.
at 775-ish.
Yeah, it's pretty crazy.
I would assume
Painting
it
the
gets up to
picture.
that line, it goes back down to this line, you know?
We'll see. I still got a couple shares.
CXAI. CEI. CXAI. Keep in mind that's basically rotated.
Wish you luck.
CEI.
I'm kind of jealous I'm not in it with you. I literally thought about just hitting it with like 500 shares, 1,000 if it hit that 840-ish area, and at least try to get
CEI.
down to 8. And then you can make a quick $350 there, you know?
Yeah, you're not wrong.
CXAI.
And it's, I mean,
CXAI micro float. Close OT rotation.
Once I made
Gotta
that
pass, I think.
845 high, that's my stop. Done.
CEI.
So I'd risk 50 to make 354. That's a fair risk to reward venture.
Yeah.
CEI.
CXAI is moving.
CEI
as well.
16K. Pass.
What is the other one that I just traded?
That one's a
GFI.
micro float. It's a mill float.
GFI is holding that.
You know GFAI is actually a micro float as well.
Is it?
Yeah. It says anywhere between, I'd say 2 mil to 6 mil.
Felt okay on that one, man. I like the way it
CEI.
was trading. You know,
Yeah, I mean, it's got a ton of volume.
Yeah, yesterday had that strong move. I mean, it had a lot going for it. I'm not totally anti-trading these, you know that. I just need to see that there's a reason to trade it, you know, not just like, oh, look at this thing, it popped.
Right.
If I see genuine strength in one of these, I'm down. I'm almost more down to long them than I am to short them, just because I know they can do more than. Yeah, this is an
FBI
interesting
order out at
spot.
0.60
I mean,
if it gets there fast.
On that daily, way the fuck up at 1170-ish.
509 KTB.
1150. I don't really know where that. 1160. I don't know. Might be trying to do that. Put a alert up here. And if it has. And two, it might be it's about time we get a low float season going, dude. We really haven't seen that for a while.
Yeah, get all the easy money back in here.
Yeah. And then maybe it's time they're gonna start pushing that shit to get some people watching. So the bigger overall picture now.
Hey guys, look, Spy's doing really well. Bring your money back. Oh, Mr. Tix, back down to where we started.
I looked at that thing the other day. It was on something that I was looking at, like a gapper list down.
At 30 bucks.
I was like, oh shit, look at that.
That's where it was when we looked at it for the very first time.
Was it yesterday? And today was the big gap down.
Yeah, it had a gap down today.
Oh, maybe it was today that I looked at it. I don't know.
It could have been back in May, end of May.
No, it was recently. Like, it was in the last week, and I was like, shit, this thing's way down here. No.
Thing's been on an adventure.
Yeah, right. The funny thing, dude, is almost every chart has some sort of a look like this, you know? Where they were up here, and now they came all the way back down here. I mean, if you look up any main chart, they did this. Like Apple's on its adventure up right now, huh? But it'll be back down here at some point. Dude, I've been so farty lately. I think there's something wrong with me. I'm kind of watching GFAI if it can
Mo 78K.
Yeah, I've gotten very comfortable with making my winners big and my losers small. I have to be comfortable now with making my winners bigger, but my losers bigger than they are right now, and that's where the battle is sometimes for me. Where instead of, you know, having that decently big win and then, you know, little tiny paper cuts, just accepting that win's bigger, but the paper cuts feel a little more intense.
Yeah.
I just got to get over that fucking mentality of, okay, I lost $200 on a trade, no big fucking deal, because the next one could be 4 or 5, you know? That's the hard part for me, is the loss side.